पता है कि इंडिया में 75% ऑफ द पॉपुलेशन इज सफरिंग फ्रॉम विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी। सो आज का हमारा जो टॉपिक है दैट इज़ अबाउट विटामिन डी विच इज़ द सनशाइन विटामिन, एंड we'll be discussing it in thorough detail, where we'll be looking at what are the causes of the deficiency, what is the signs which we used to see when we are deficient in vitamin D, and also we'll be discussing some of the foods which are rich in vitamin D and the common myths related to vitamin D. So let's first understand what is vitamin D. So basically vitamin D is a fat soluble vitamin which gets the calcium to be absorbed in our bones. Okay, so विटामिन डी को हम बहुत से फॉर्म्स में ले सकते हैं. सबसे इजी फॉर्म है फ्रॉम द सनलाइट, उसके बाद यू हैव सप्लीमेंट्स, उसके बाद यू हैव फूड. सो दीज आर द थ्री सोर्सेज फ्रॉम विच यू कैन गेट द विटामिन डी एंड यू कैन enrich yourself with that. So now let's talk about the symptoms by which we get to know that we are deficient in vitamin D. क्योंकि मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया कि 75% ऑफ द पीपल इन इंडिया आर डेफिशिएंट इन विटामिन डी, बट दे डोंट नो इवन कि आप उनको डेफिशिएंसी है. तो ये कुछ मेजर साइंस हैं. अगर आपको ये सब चीज़ें हो रही हैं तो मे बी यू आर डेफिशिएंट इन विटामिन डी. सो सबसे पहले आपको डाइजेस्टिव इश्यूज़ हो जाएंगे, बोन पेन होने लग पड़ेगी, उसके बाद आपको हेयर लॉस होगा, लॉस ऑफ एपेटाइट हो जाएगा, उसके बाद स्लीप इश्यूज़ हो जाएंगे, आपको कभी नींद आएगी कभी नहीं आएगी, उसके बाद आपको मूड स्विंग्स होंगे बहुत ख़तरनाक वाले, देन आपकी स्किन पेल हो जाएगी और बहुत फ्रीक्वेंट हेयर लॉस होगा. उसके साथ साथ आपको कोई भी कोल्ड या कोई भी इन्फेक्शंस जो हैं वो बहुत जल्दी आप कैच करोगे. तो ये सारी जो चीज़ें हैं, और आपका एक वेट गेन होने लग पड़ेगा. अब आप एक यहाँ पे चीज़ देख रहे हो कि आपका डाइजेस्टिव इश्यूज़ हो रहा है, लॉस ऑफ एपेटाइट हो रहा है, पर वेट गेन हो रहा है, विच इज़ ऑपोजिट टू द टू थिंग्स आर ऑपोजिट. तो ये जब चीज़ें होंगी तब आपको पता लगेगा कि आप बहुत जल्दी थक जाएंगे और आपको फटीग ही रहेगा हमेशा. तो ये सब चीज़ें जब भी होंगी तो आप समझ जाइए कि आपको विटामिन डी की डेफिशिएंसी है. सो अभी आप चेक कीजिए, अगर इनमें से कुछ भी सिम्टम्स आपको लग रहे हैं, सो डू कंसल्ट. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ विटामिन डी. So there are numerous benefits of vitamin D because it is one of the essential vitamins which our body needs to get immediately for a better functioning. So first of all, if I talk about the benefit, so it helps in strengthening of the bones in the teeth, which is very commonly known. It helps in improving the immunity of the body. It helps to improve the heart health. It helps to avoid and prevent diabetes too, that is the type 2 diabetes. Also it helps in strengthening the muscles. It helps in the proper functioning of the brain. Also it regulates your mood. If your vitamin D is low, your mood will not be okay, it would be swinging here and there. So it regulates your mood, and along with all of that, vitamin D, this is very important, prevents cancer. So that is why it is essential for the body to have. Myth number 3, we cannot overdose vitamin D. So basically this is correct, because if we take the overdose of vitamin D, it can lead to toxicity in the body, and that toxicity may leads to many other diseases in the body. So take it under the consultation of your doctor according to his prescribed amounts and the timings and everything. So do consult a doctor whenever you feel like you have a deficiency in vitamin D. तो जैसे कि मैंने आपसे बात करी कि 75% of the Indian population is suffering from vitamin D deficiency, and they don't even know that they are suffering from it. When they reach a stage where it is very difficult to handle, then they go to the doctor and tell कि we are facing these issues and that issues. So आज की जनरेशन में जो विटामिन डी की डेफिशिएंसी है वो ज़्यादा हो गई है एज़ कम्पेयर टू द ओल्डर वंस. सो क्या होता था पहले के टाइम में 65 ईयर्स एंड अबव को ही विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी होता था, बट आज की एज में हम देखें तो हमारे अराउंड जो भी 21 प्लस भी हैं लोग, उनको भी विटामिन डी डेफिशिएंसी हो रहा है. सो लेट अस एक्सप्लोर द कॉजेज व्हाई इट इज़ हैपनिंग टू अर्ली नाउ. व्हाट इज़ द चेंज? सो द फर्स्ट एंड द foremost cause is the less exposure of our body to sunlight. So क्योंकि we are not exposing ourselves to the sunlight because we are doing more of the indoor activities. जैसे हम अंदर ही बैठ के सारे काम कर रहे हैं, हम बाहर नहीं जा रहे, हम एसी में बैठे हुए हैं, हम बाहर निकल ही नहीं रहे, उस वजह से हमें एक प्रॉपर स्किन को एक्सपोजर जो रेगुलरली ईच डे रिक्वायर्ड होता है वो नहीं मिल पा रहा है. दिस इज़ वन. सेकेंड इज़ अनहेल्दी फूड वी आर ईटिंग. द foods which we are taking are unhealthy, so that is leading to obesity, and that fat is too much that it is not, our skin is not able to absorb the vitamin D. So unhealthy food. Also, we are not doing any physical activity, we are not physically active, we are not either walking after food, we are not even going to the market. So we have Blinkit, we have Swiggy, Instamart, so we don't want to go, and these apps have made us paralyzed in that case. Also, obesity is one of the reasons why vitamin D in the younger generation is rising, because they are not doing any physical activity, they are not going anywhere, they are not exposing themselves to the sun, so they are getting this fat, a thick fat layer is there, and then that is not able to absorb the vitamin D from the sun. Also, we are not keeping up with the changes in the surroundings. Like if we are doing 9 to 5, so we are supposed to do 9 to 5, and we are not taking out time to expose ourselves to the sun. Also, if you have taken any weight loss surgery or something, then you are inviting the vitamin D deficiency. Also, other than this, if you have some you can say any type of the kidney or liver disease, then also you are exposing yourself to the vitamin D deficiency. So these are some of the causes. So mostly it is the unhealthy eating, no exercise, no walking, nothing, and obesity is one of the major causes of vitamin D deficiency now in younger ages. So now let's talk about what are the common myths which are related to vitamin D. So vitamin D से related myths बहुत से सुने होंगे आपने, जिसमें से कुछ मैंने यहाँ पे highlight किए हैं. तो the first myth is कि vitamin D is essential only for the bone health. This is not the fact. The fact is that vitamin D, जैसे हमने पीछे discuss किया, कि it is responsible for the bone health, but along with that it also increases our immunity, it also helps in muscle strengthening, also it helps to avoid major diseases like diabetes 2 type and also cancer. So it is not only for the bone health, it is for overall healthy body. So myth number two is that you can get sufficient amount of vitamin D from the sunlight only. So this is not the fact. The fact is that you can get vitamin D from the sunlight, but in case your body is not able to convert that sunlight into vitamin D, you can take the supplements as well as the foods which are rich in vitamin D. Myth number 4. Vitamin D is required, the supplements are only required for the older generations, not the younger ones. This is totally wrong, because vitamin D is required from younger age till the older ages, and it is every person has a different need and different quantity needed as per the body type and the skin texture. So vitamin D is required in the form of supplements for everyone, but as per the prescribed dosage of the doctor. Myth number 5. The supplements are unnecessary to take. So we cannot say that supplements are unnecessary to take, because for people who are deficient in vitamin D, they have to take the supplements to get their deficiency completed, and for them it is a must. So as per me, supplements should be taken under the guidance of the doctor only.